Good luck on your first pick 5. Gates open. They're up and racing. Divine Wisdom. Wondrous Wind. Moving up in between runners. Entry number 4. Crystal's Pride. Tony P. Then on the outside is Bringer of Rain. Entering the group is Beyond Good. Rounding at the last 600. We have number 4. Crystal's Pride. Tony P. Bringer of Rain joining them as they race at the last 450. We have Tony P, Bringer of Rain, and number 4, Crystal's Pride having some problem. Now stop running as they turn for home. We have Bringer of Rain from the outside. Tony P, Spiral, Wondrous Wind, Divine Wisdom. And down the stretch they come. Tony P running on the outside, Bringer of Rain. We have Tony P, Bringer of Rain on the outside, leveling up. Tony P, Bringer of Rain on the outside, moves up and finally Bringer of Rain. Tony P, then comes Wondrous Wind, number 3, Divine Wisdom, and Beyond Good.
Problema yata yung numero 4 doon dahil biglang nawala sa picture. At nagwagi.